Welcome, my scholars. We are going to find this answer for this question. How are you? So we can ask this question in three different ways in German. Wie geht es Ihnen? So that is a formal way to ask someone, how are you? Wie geht es dir? That is informal way to say, how are you? And this is wie geht's? That is short form of wie geht es dir? This is also informal. So we can write also like this, or we can write wie geht es dir? So now we can answer depending upon our mood. As you can see here, there are many options that you can use. First one is es geht mir sehr gut. I'm really good. Or you can say ich bin fantastisch. I am fantastic. Ich bin ausgezeichnet. Ausgezeichnet, that means excellent. Blendend, that means outstanding. And ich bin prima, that means I am great. So that situation we use when I'm really happy, Ich bin gut, या फिर or ich bin ganz gut. That means I'm quite okay. So that bit less intensive as compared to this most left side. So next is 50-50 situation where ich bin so, that means I am so, nicht schlecht, not bad, leidlich, that means I'm reasonable, einigermaßen, that means fair, es geht, it's okay. And when I'm not feeling good, I can say schlecht, nicht gut. Es geht mir schlecht, es geht mir nicht gut. Or ich bin nicht gut, I'm not good. And when I'm really angry, really bad, feeling really bad, so I can say ich bin sehr schlecht. Or es geht mir sehr schlecht, very bad. Es geht mir miserable, so that is same like in English, miserable. Bamlish, that means pathetic, I'm feeling pathetic. Mies means bad. Scheußlich, awful. Scheußlich, awful. Es geht mir scheußlich. I'm feeling awful. I'm feeling really bad. So that's all for this question. Auf Wiedersehen. Cheers.